Welcome to Forno Appliance technical support video. In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the PCB board for the models 1805 and 1820. You will be needing a star screwdriver. Unplug the power supply. Unscrew and remove the PCB board cover located on the top of the fridge. Unscrew PCB board. Gently unclip and pull out the PCB board. Individually disconnect wires from your old PCB board and plug it into your new board. Place back and screw in the PCB board. Place back and screw in the PCB board cover. This completes the installation of your new PCB board.